Hi guys! 8:33 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family, and friends po, pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, sa inyo pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? If you're watching this now, you're already a winner. Bakit? Bakit ka panalo? Anong meron? Kuya Norman? Because as early as now, you will know na ano bang meron tomorrow. And because you will know what tomorrow may offer you, good and not so good, you can tailor fit anong gagawin mo tomorrow. So that may advance info ka. I think that's the most important. Actually po, I'd like to thank Sir Romel and Ma'am Jack. Thank you for your warm accommodation earlier. Alam po nyo, mga clients ko po, as early as now, yes, you heard me right, as early as now, sila po ay nagpapa-feng shui na, nagpapapachi na, papachimin na for 2025. So, aga naman. Yes. Ganun din po sa abroad. In Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, and Hong Kong, as early as now, BFF, nagpapa-feng shui na po sila for 2025. After all, ito pong bear months is a sneak preview of what is to happen next year. So, if your bear month, September, October, November, and December is good, okay, in coming year. If it's very challenging, expect it next year to be challenging. So, yun na po, papafunction na sila ngayon ka-early. So, kayo din, BFF ha, I'd like to see you soon. I'd like to hear from you soon. Alright? Okay. So, winner ka today, tomorrow, the next day, and the weeks and days to come. Winner ka. Okay, let's check this one out. Says here, September 18, may 8 ito na naman tayo, Wednesday, is called the Wood Rooster Enters the Established Officer Day. And again, I'd like to thank po Sir Miguel at yung pong mga kasama po sa trabaho for helping me po Sir Miguel for helping me to have po yung DJI Pocket 3. Alam ko po napakahirap kumuha niya, pero Sir Miguel, thank you so much for giving me that opportunity at I was able to have one. Ayan, thank you Sir Miguel, and more blessings for you and your company, and God bless po kayo. God bless. Okay. So, it says here, the Wood Dragon enters the Established Officer Day. Hi to SK Gunter. SK Gunter, sir, thank you. Ma'am Apple, magandang gabi rin po sa inyo. Yes. So, yan O, iba po dyan. Bati po nang mabati ko rin po kayo. Alam ko po, alam niyo po natin, marami pong silent listeners. Ano po. Bati naman po kayo nang mabati ko rin. Okay. So, SK Gunter, Ma'am Apple, tomorrow po, Wood Rooster, Established Officer Day. Ano pwedeng gawin? Tingnan natin. Para ma-tailor fit natin. Kaysa bukas magkagulatan, ay, hindi pala pwedeng gagawin ko. Hindi nga pwedeng gagawin mo. Yan ang technique. Okay, let's check. April 18. Okay, yan na. Suitable, again, making a donation, traveling, contract signing, trading, and buying assets. Very good. Not so good for starting a business, assuming a new post, renovation, groundbreaking, and gardening. Not recommended for tomorrow. In terms of animal signs, ito po, animal signs po tayo. Rat is average, ox is very good, tiger is average, rabbit not good, dragon and snake very good, horse is average, goat is not so good, monkey average, rooster very good, dog and pig not so good. Hi to Kuyang Melvin, good evening. Maraming salamat for watching mga kuyang. Thank you so much. Okay, Kuya Melvin, SK Gunter. Hi to Ma'am Jem. Ma'am, kumusta na po kayo? Magwa-1 year na po ulit. So, yan ma'am like I mentioned, most of my clients po already doing Feng Shui for 2025. Ayan. So, Ma'am Jem, Kuyang Melvin, Ma'am Apple, and SK Gunter. So, tomorrow, unavoidably, may mga kaibigan tayo, family members, na mag-start a business. Hi to Ma'am Leia. Magandang gabi po. Yes, good evening. So, Ma'am Leia, tomorrow, unexpectedly, may kaibigan ko, family members na mag-start ng negosyo. Mag-assume ng new post. Magre-renovate, mag-groundbreak, and mag-garden. Hindi nga po recommend, but we know better. Now, we know better. Daily chimen mo yan. Okay, let's do it. Yan. So, pag daily chimen, isa-isahin natin. Okay. Hi, Ma'am Marife po. Magandang gabi po, Ma'am Marife. Thanks for watching. Yun. Sana ilagay nyo rin po kung taga saan po kayo, especially po sa mga newcomers nang mabati ko po kayo and where you're from. Ayan. Pwede po general po, let's say you're from Rizal, pwede po Rizal, or you're from Laguna. Laguna po kayo na, kahit di na i-specify ko, you're from Santa Rosa, Santa Cruz, yeah, para po at least mayroon ano po natin, mas mapalapit po yung ating greetings, mas ma-personalize po. Okay, September 18, yan, Wood Rooster, says here, if you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, a blogger. Oh, from Kidapawan. Hi. Opo, from Bicol. Yes, Ma'am Apple. And thank you po And Ma'am Leia from Kidapawan. Opo, hope to be there. Opo. May tentative schedule po ko sa Iloilo. Yes, opo. Maybe 2 weeks from now. And hope to see you po sa inyong mga locations one of these days. Opo, okay, BFF. If you want to be more handsome, able to have more reach, Yan po. From Taguig. Hi, Ma'am Marepe. Taguig. I was there po last week po in BGC. Ayan. May feng shui consulting po sa sa Acacia Estates. Yes, then I'll be there again po next week po sa area po ng Taguig. Malapit din po sa Acacia Estates, BGC. Okay, ma'am. BFF. So Senator, meron po tayong pampapogi, mas pampaganda, able more reach, able to, if you're a content maker, a blogger, into sales and marketing, want to sell something, product or services, and negotiations, and have a noble person, talikod sa Southwest. If you want to create opportunity and the game changer with absolute support, talikod sa North. Health is wealth. If you have some relatives or you yourself is not feeling well, talikod po sa Northeast, and you can also pray for them here and abroad, or you may ask them po to back to Northeast. And then for anything po related to finance, land, real estate, anything to with that, any resources po that you would want to have, meron po ritong napaganda po ng structure po, backing to ISA, you can do it tomorrow. Okay. Now, Kuya Norman, diyan po sa mga nabanggit mo, ano po ba yung game changer? Oh, dito po, siningin natin. I would say po, if I were you, ang game changer po is backing to North. Okay, BFF, lagyan natin ng dialogue. Just in case. Opo naman. Baka po nalimutan By the way, BFF, like and share po natin And meron din nga po pala ako sa Facebook. Sa YouTube. YouTube po So just in case po, may friends kayo who have access to YouTube, please, I'm also there po. So ito pong ating sharing. This will also be posted po sa YouTube a little bit later, of course. But also, within tonight, makikita nyo po doon. Okay, so let's see. Let us check the dialogue. Ano bang sasabihin? Ano ba ang talkies? Okay, ito po. Again, we start everything from universe or how you address your God or your faith. I let go of all those things that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize new ideas and views by always attracting noble allies, forever lucky, generously aiding all, crafting robust lifelines and livelihood for all. Amen. Ayun po. Hi, Sir or Ma'am Duy. Thanks for watching, Oh, ma'am, taga saan po kayo, sir? Ma'am, ano po, ma'am, inyong, Vietnamese? Duy, opo, yeah. So, if you have your common name, ma'am, sir, yes, you can message me po, and where you're from. Yes. So, yun po ang dialogue. And then, again, pwede nyo pong pahabain, pwede paikliin. Basta yun po ang idea po dyan is, you let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. Yan po yung flow ng ating manifestation. Again, syempre po naman, Kuya Norman, ano ba naman, may Green Dragon ba? Kasi namimiss na namin ng Green Dragon. Parang laging wala O, tingnan natin for tomorrow. Baka po, sa isang petsa pong 18 na may 8, baka meron pong Green Dragon. No, let us see. Opo. So, more than half na. Yes. Hi. Opo. From Cotabato po. Yes. Ate, how are you? Kumusta? Long time no see. Hope to see you soon again in Cotabato City. Thank you po. Ma'am Chona. Yes. How are you? Kumusta? Tagal hindi nagkita, ano po? Pre-pandemic pa ba o pre-pandemic pa? Wow, tagal na nun. Opo, namiss ko nga rin po si engineer saka si architect dyan eh. Ano po, syempre po. Okay, Ma'am Chona, eto na. September 18, tingnan natin. Okay. Ay, eto ma'am. 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. Green Dragon returns. Talikod sa east. Jade Maiden watching the door. Same time, talikod sa southwest. 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. South team po ito. South backing, Jade Maiden watching the door. Meron, no? And then, 7 p.m. to 8:59 a.m. talikod po sa east. Green Dragon hanggang 10:59 po ito. Okay to, BFF. So, ang Green Dragon tomorrow, 7 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. talikod sa east, Green Dragon. Hi to Senior Warden, Noble Eric Lasso, sir. Hi. Kuyang, Nobs. Thanks for watching, Senior Warden, sir. Ha? Thank you for watching. Kuyang. Kapo. Kuyang, Nobs. Senior Warden, sir, i-like and share natin ha, para marami po mamatay matulungan. So, BFF ha, so tomorrow Green Dragon returns is from 7 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. talikod sa east. Oh wow, di po ba ang east? May maganda rin pong whole day, may maganda rin po siyang energy, so go for it. Let's go for it po. Yeah. So eto po yun ha, wala na po ako, nasabi ko na po. Now, check po natin. Baka po may na-miss out ako. Double check. Siyempre po, nothing is wrong with checking things po ha. Tingnan natin. Baka po may nalimutan po akong, ayan. So, kaya kanina po ba, kayo po ba'y tumingin sa buwan ng 6:10 to 6:59 p.m. ha? Importante po para sa dun sa ating Mooncake Festival. O, sana po kayo po'y tumingin po doon. Okay. So, yun po yun ang, okay. O, sabi po dito. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Opo, ito yung kanina eh. Ito po yung kanina po, yung hi Ma'am Miriam, thanks for watching po. Good evening. So, yung kanina po, sana po nagawa niyo to kanina, tumingin kayo sana sa buwan, ano, importante. So, okay, let me check. Just in case po ito, para wag tayo ma-miss out. Ay nga po pala, may na po nag-message sa akin, siya daw po pinanganak sa Year of the Ox. So, doon po nag-text sa akin po kagabi po, the other night. Kung kayo po ay Ox, papangalawa ko kayo sa Buenas, ingat lang sa scam. Ayan. If you're watching now, let me know kung nasagot ko po yung tanong po. Kayo po'y Oxborn na. Let me know ha. So sa mga Ox po, number 2, best kayo financially but be careful with scam. If it's so good to be true, it's not true. Ayan. It is a scam. Okay. Ayan. Just check po natin para po sure ball. Okay. Ayan. So, okay. So tomorrow po, again, meron po tayong internalizing the energies. Wednesday, September 18, this is 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. nakatalikod po sa north. So, it's internalizing the energy, or you can also 10x that energy po, of course, in a good way, the positive energy po that can help you with what you want. So, pwede po tomorrow. Ito po ay talikod sa north. So, let me check po yung aking chart. Just to check po, no? So, that's from North Backing, yes. 11 a.m. Yeah, so yun po, BFF Don't forget, internalizing the energies. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. talikod sa north. So don't you forget. Again, BFF, may invitation po to each and every one of you. For those who would want yung 2025 po na feng shui consultation, it can be done po on site and it can be done po online. And yun po, I'm so blessed and happy that ang aking pong mga clients from the States at the West Coast is growing. From LA, from Sanfo to Las Vegas. I thank you so much po sa mga ating mga friends po from the other side po. Sa West, yan po sa California. Yan po, thank you so much sa West Coast. No? Thank you so much po sa inyo pong consultation. And patuloy pong parating. Marami pong salamat for the opportunity. At kayo din po, here in the Philippines, if you're quite far and you have a very limited time, the online consultation po is only 1 hour. Lalampas ng konti. The max po is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And when you do have the consultation po, you would know your Chi-Men natal backing. So, at any time, alam mo po yung natural na backing mo in Chi-Men. So at any time, you can deploy that. You will know what is your deity, what is your star, and what is your door of destiny. And of course, yung patchy chart mo, what's the year, the month, and of course, yung Rob Wealth. Ano po, BFF, we are so blessed. Why? Because, hi to very worshipful Norman, Engineer Sir. Thank you. Hi to Maring Seni. Thank you so much. Hi very worshipful. Very worshipful, sir. Yung inyo pong floor plan para po dun sa yung office table po. Yes, sa PNP. Opo, atin natin. Very worshipful, sir. Magandang gabi sa'yo. And of course, sa kaloya po kay Senior Warden Eric. Thank you so much. Paring Seni, hi, good evening, all the way from Pasig. So, ayun po, so the 1-hour consultation, it's a journey into you. You would know your Pachi, your Chimen, your Feng Shui, and if there should be something in your mind na, Norman, gawin ko ba to, hindi ko to gawin, at least you will be guided po. And there's always a better chance of you winning. Ito yung po gusto na natin. You become a winner, you get what you want. So again, BFF, hope to hear from you soon. May I see you in online or on-site, God willing. Thank you so much. Let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders and for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. BFF, God bless. Good night and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.